your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is getting powered by World Sports Betting. It is time CEO doze qela lo Orlando Pirates langena kumdlalo wamagqibela kaNqoyi we-Nedbank Cup lingena lingaqali futhi Orlando Pirates yiyo nemagesi amaqela abambe indebe ukuzokuthi gangoku kule season eMzantsi Afrika imagesi neOrlando Pirates. Coach Clinton Larsen wayedlala eOrlando Pirates no coach Joseph Rivero ongumqeqeshi weOrlando Pirates so far kwezi trophies asizidlalile. Kusekho ke ne Betway Premiership ezawubanjwa iMamelodi Sundowns indlela ebonakala ngayo kodwa sawubona ke kusekho neNedbank Cup final kusekho ke neCAF Champions League sawubona ke into ba zingapi indebe ezawubanjwa iPirates okanye iSundowns okwangoku ungenile walibhalisa igama lakhe umqeqeshi Jose Rivero kudala ke futhi engena kule midlalo yamagqibela kaNqoyi umhlalotyi wethu nokumlandela omkhulu wedawana uBobo kwaMnisi ubona njani umdlalo ndoda
Kuleke kunjani futhi?
Yes sir.
Yeah, ithi ngibulise uJustice ngibulise uTso,
Yes, sir.
ngibulise uLindo Pep, ngibulise noJunior.
Chairman my chairman.
Yeah, uRisha ifinal number 6 ucoach Orlando Pirates.
Kudala ngena kwezi final.
Namhlanje siyambona udlala ngama left footed awu6 egroundini.
I didn't notice that. It is Babale.
Singabheka lapha emuva kunombokazi. Kunomdlalo ofana noMako. Sinotito. Sinomdlalo ofana noKabelo Dlamini. Sinomdlalo ofana noHoto. Ukhona umdlali futhi ofana no ubande last one bawu6.
Umelusi yena ukhahlela.
Ukhahlela nge-right umelusi.
Right footed.
Yeah, ubonile naye nalama mistake ngathuna unkotha.
Unkotha, thank you Tuna.
Ngibacount siyabonga legend.
It's a lot. Actually,
Yeah,
I didn't notice that.
Avamisile ukudlala ngama left footed awu6.
That used to be Sundowns in the 90s.
Yeah.
Sundowns in the late 90s about Eric Ramasike, Lavas Mohlala, Roger Fetumba. I used to enjoy watching the team because it confused me when I was a kid. I didn't know that you were allowed to play so many left-footed
No,
players.
bekasitshela nge-lineup ukuthi yena uzoyidlala i-final number 6 ucoach Rivero. Remember ukuthi ukhona uwina awu5 Nkululeko.
Yeah.
So umsebenzi omuhle for Orlando Pirates
Absolutely.
no coach Rivero akwenza ku-Orlando Pirates. Congratulations to him and his technical team nabadlali ukuthi barishe i-final ye-Nedbank Cup. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi bekulula for yena ukuthi adlale phela ne-lineup yakhe uyichangeile namhlanje. Siyambona udrop Xoki ku-first lineup yakhe udrop umdlalo ofana noChayine umlethile uMako la khona sibona umdlalo ofana udrop uMfukeng sibona umdlalo ofana nobani noMbokazi adlala noSibisi today la khona uMbokazi angadlali leya center left yokuthi most of the time ukhona ukuyocover kulela side too much umcover as usual because uMako bekanga overlap kakhulu umdlalo bekasebenza ngapha uFan Rooyen but nayo yambona ukuthi bekasebenza overtime because umdlalo ofana noMsendane beba busy noMsendane bekangafuni ukumnikeza space ukuthi uMsendane angamnikeza distance ku receive iball and which is good first half ukuthi akwenze njalo because umbonile uMsendane bekaluza too many balls awawina uFan Rooyen so ubheke nala phakathi the way badlale ngakhona ulethu uKabelo ulethu umdlalo ofana no Grootman lapha uMakhawuli sibona la khona Nkululeko uma ngithi ngiyabheka Orlando Pirates first half idlale kahle kakhulu for mina first half idlalile the way ngibona idlala ngakhona because abadlali abafana nabo Edgar Manaka in the middle bebaluza amabhola uEdgar bekaluza amabhola uma ungabheka la khona bawa interceptor khona abadlali beOrlando Pirates bawawina kuEdgar yila ngibone Orlando Pirates uyothola lela goal libasebenzela ukuthi balithole lela goal but nalo ngathi uyabheka i-defense yeMarumo Gallants benama mistake they did very well second half but first half ungabheka kunala khona bebanikeze Orlando Pirates amabhola abadlali abafana nobani ubani umdlalo odlala center back kuMarumo Gallants uvusi Sibiya uyabona bekadlala center left uvusi bese baluze umdlalo ofana noSikhosi bebenomthiyane uMathiyane ngapha then uvusi baluze umdlalo ofana noSikhosi center back baluza uRkhotso ku center back ngicabanga ukuthi badlale kahle kakhulu bona second half but first half bebanama mistake la khona bengibona ukuthi kusho ukuthi ukuthola ama injuries wakaRkhotso noSikhosana kubanikeza iproblem ku center back but babuye bayilungisa lento because sibone la khona badlali beMarumo Gallants babuye bazopick up a second half la khona iMarumo Gallants icala ku dominator ngokudropa komdlalo ofana noTito ngibona uTito angasabonakali phela first half uTito bokuye beka busy kakhulu kuOrlando Pirates uye bekenze Orlando Pirates idlale phela nale assist ayenzile maningi amabhola assistile unfortunately ku final third abazange bakhona ukuthi baconvertela ama chances abo Hoto but for mina ngibona adlale kahle kakhulu umdlalo ofana noTito today Nkululeko going to igame ku second half ngibona Orlando Pirates yehlisile kancane or mhlambe kuphakamisa iMarumo Gallants. I'm not sure.
Yes, Orlando Pirates is getting the concern for me, and I mentioned it in the second half.
Yeah.
Is that playing negative football, defensive football in the Champions League? It's a bad habit. You get used to it because what we were looking for in the second half. I-creativity yabadlali bePirates ngoba bangcono kunabeGallants.
Yeah.
Bangcono kakhulu kunabeGallants. Yes, bekunoku-breaker because iMarumo Gallants when they started chasing the game, umdlalo bewubreaker, ubone uHotto athole 1v1 angayisebenzisi kodwa there was a 20-30 minute spell in the second half where Pirates were defending too much and you couldn't see them going forward as well. And I couldn't help but think that it's because of that negative football that they've been playing in the Champions League. Although Hispana, in terms of getting them to the next round, there was a point. Angifuni ukuthi mina kuphakamise iGallants njengoba uzibuza ukuthi is it iGallants ephakamisile noma I think iPirates there's this thing where all the attacking players banengqondo yokuthi we have to also go back and defend even though they're so good going forward that they can score 5 goals against any opposition. Mara iGallants nayo to your point iphakamisile second half but they were not good enough in my opinion. They never gave uMango an opportunity 1v1 from a midfield bamkhiphe lapho 1v1 no goalkeeper or even uDion striker and even uDion Ndlovu makangena. That was for me the problem is that they didn't create enough even though they had strikers late in the second half.
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe abadlali abafana nabo neMthejane baphakamisile njengayo umdlali ofana no le winger le
yes, Umsendane. Yeah.
Umsendane uphakamisile
He tried his best.
lokubeka kwenza first half akazange sakwenza second half uzame ukuchange the way adlala ngakhona because beseka i-threat second half so ngicabanga ukuthi baphakamisile and maybe ngaba nalento ukuthi abadlali beOrlando Pirates ukuze ukuthi babuye kwangathi abafuna uku-attacka too much mhlawumbe ilento esibiza i-game management ukuthi because of siya leader and sinabadlali sibona ukuthi dala badlala i-CAF Champions League badlala i-league badlala ama-cup singayi more because sesitholile ligoli why singazama ukumanager le game sibuye sizodefenda kancane so that sikwazi ukuthi bakhona ukuresta labadlali since welwazi ukuthi aboHotto badlala week in week out so ngiyacabanga ukuthi bekungasinasidingo sokuthi we can go forward ngalendlela siye ngayo first half
they forward because semi-final futhi basadlala ku-semi-final ku-Champions League.
We understand so let's try ukuthi sithole igoli then we manage the game because mase sesithole igoli inkuleko akunasidingo sokuthi thina siye kubo yibe kumele beze kithi so then we try ukuthi sibabambe mhlawumbe ngalawo account ngendlela ngicabanga ngakhona because at the end of the day labadlali nabo bayakhathala bangabantu angeke bahlala always barana because badlala ama game amaningi for mina so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ucoach uyenze ngale ndlela that so simbona letha nomdlalo ofana noXoki ukuzo-eda ukuthi ukhipha uTito ukuthi okay ithi ngisile ngale 1-0 because angisafuni ukudlalela ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiyahlobisa okanjani ithi
so then the question goes back to the opposition team njengoba wazi we asked this question against iPolokwane City njengoba wazi ukuthi laba even against Sundowns uEsperance Sundowns plays up until 120 minutes on Friday they play Esperance on Tuesday. The question is you Esperance in your country they gave you the whole week to prepare. Why don't you press them even more? Nemarumo Gallants namhlanje niyazi ukuthi Pirates was traveling on Wednesday. Why don't you ask them more questions? Because I don't think that they did ask those questions. Bazamile but it was not enough. It's Umelusi Buthelezi besingamboni a saver. Ebonakalisa ukuthi iMarumo they're coming for the goal. You couldn't see that. So the onus is on the other team. Ask questions of the tired team. Why are they not doing that?
Ngiyacabanga nkuleko this is Orlando Pirates. Khumbula ukuthi Pirates ngalama counter attack inabadlali abane speed. Angeke kumane ukhuphuke bheka umdlali ofana ubani le out le bedlali left back eMarumo Gallants. Beyangakhona ukukhuphuka. I think ubani Rasibon not Rasibocha but that left back
Relebohile Mabotja
ulebohang Mabotja beyangakhona ukukhuphuka because akusi easy ukuthi ungakhuphuka ngalama full back akho knowing very well ukuthi Pirates nabadlali abafana nabonkotha abadlali abane speed so obvious ufuna ukudlala ngale njengoba badlala 4-2-3-1 uyofuna ukusebenzisa laba badlali abayi3 abadlali abafana nabo Edgar nabo Nhlapo unfortunately Nhlapo umbonile beka out umdlalo beka try ukuthi ufuna ukuassista kulela side la ka right ukuthi ablock nabo Kamorelo bekungabadlali ngathi mhlambe ba effective bekubadlala bona ukuthi bakhona enkundleni but abanikeza iMarumo Gallants nix up until kufika umdlalo ofana noMango uyu umdlalo efike waba i-threat naye ukuthi mabamletha bazi nabo Orlando Pirates ukuthi sekunomdlali manje ofana noMango umdlalo ongakhona ukurana behind the defense so ngiyacabanga ukuthi for bona bengeke kube lula ukuthi they can attack iPirates pound for pound.
Well,
even though
but you're losing though. At 1-0 you are losing.
bacala ukudlala uma sebaluza manje uma ungababheka bacala ukudlala manje Orlando Pirates after Orlando Pirates ibona ukuthi iskorile ngikhani bafuna ukudlala manje and ilento sihlala sisho ukuthi why nifuna ukudlala after baqeda ukunscore it's because of ba concentrated too much ukuthi this is a cup game singamani isidlale mhlawumbe uma ngabe siyayithola Orlando Pirates ibambe ngedraw mhlawumbe singaba nenhlanhla siye kuma penalty sifike siphumelele kuma penalty. I think that's how ucoach uplaying ngakhona because pound for pound bekungeke kube lula abonkotha mhlawumbe ngabe nabo Hoto ba convertile ma chance amaningi because of at the end of the day Pirates be inabadlali abane speed up front.
All in all, as we wrap it up, a well-deserved win for Orlando Pirates.
Nakanjani kuleko be deserve le win Orlando Pirates ukuthi iyodlala final.
There you go. Thank you very much to Mfokamnisi Ubobo. We hope, of course, you enjoyed the game. There's another game that we will be covering, of course, one of the biggest games in the football calendar. Chiefs, Sundowns, Sundowns, Chiefs. There's Chiefs, Pirates, Pirates, Chiefs. There's Sundowns, Pirates, and Pirates, Sundowns. Those games are the biggest games in our football calendar. And whoever wins here, whether it's Chiefs, whether it's Sundowns, it'll set us up for a mega blockbuster final because Orlando Pirates, a big team, has already confirmed its ticket to the next round. That means even if it's Sundowns, even if it's Chiefs, it doesn't matter because it will be Orlando Pirates Sundowns, Orlando Pirates Chiefs, still a very big game and the sponsors will be smiling all the way to the bank. Itiski TV, Itiski Times was for betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.